Hi everyone, this is me Rabeeca. So today I am going to introduce facial kit which is by Farah Beauty Salon. Farah is my sweetest friend and one of the best beautician in Islamabad. She recently launched her facial kit which name is True Tone. I am going to use right now in front of all of you guys. So here we go. First of all, I'm gonna use Dew Action Cleanser. Applying on my face, just make sure that you have full coverage. Have to massage clockwise and anti-clockwise for 8 to 9 minutes, then wipe it. Step 2, I have this ultra glowing skin polish. Just put it all over your face. Massage it properly with the help of water. Do not apply on eyelashes, eyelids and eyebrows. Then wipe it. Step 3, I have this soothing facial scrub. I'm just taking small amount of facial scrub, gently applied on your face. Massage it properly clockwise and anti-clockwise. Just leave it for 5 minutes. Waiting. Oh, the wait is over. Step 4, I'm using this skin soothing toning mist. Spray it on a cotton ball. Put it on 3 zone areas, which is your cheeks, chin and forehead. And wherever you want to, do not remove it. Step 5, I'm gonna use this facial massage cream. Apply it all over your face. Massage it properly. Press it with the firm fingers. Make sure that you don't remove it. So the final step, which is step number 6, I'm gonna use this brightening mineral mask that you have to apply all over your face after exfoliating. Make sure that you have covered your face well. I just love the smell. Just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove it with the help of this wet sponge. Oh my god, just look at my skin, guys. Totally loving the results. Thank you so much Farah ji for sending this kit to my way. Adding the details in my description. You guys can easily order from there. Trust me, you will love the result. Take care. Bye bye.